To set up a DigitalOcean VPC, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the networking section. Here you will find the option to create a new VPC. Click on Create a VPC and enter a name and optional description for your VPC. You will also need to select a region for your VPC, which determines where your resources will be located. Next, you will need to configure the IP range for your VPC. This is the range of IP addresses that will be available for use within your VPC. You can choose from a range of pre-configured IP ranges or enter a custom range. It is generally recommended to use a private IP range, such as 10.0.0.0/16, to minimize the risk of IP address conflicts. Once you have created your VPC, you can start creating resources within it. This can include droplets, which are DigitalOcean's virtual machines, as well as load balancers and other network resources. When creating a droplet, you will need to select the VPC you just created and configure the networking settings, including the IP address and any additional network interfaces. It is also important to consider security when setting up your VPC. You can use DigitalOcean's firewall rules to control inbound and outbound traffic to your VPC. This can help prevent unauthorized access to your resources and protect against common network threats. Best practices for setting up a DigitalOcean VPC include using a consistent naming convention and organizing your resources into clear and logical groups. This can make it easier to manage and troubleshoot your VPC as it grows and becomes more complex. Additionally, be sure to regularly review and update your VPC configuration to ensure it remains secure and aligned with your changing needs. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a DigitalOcean VPC that meets your needs and provides a secure and reliable foundation for your applications and services. With its flexible configuration options and robust security features, a well-designed VPC can help you get the most out of your DigitalOcean resources and support the success of your business.